Okay, it's May 20th, May 19th, 2012, and we are at Lathrop State Park. We're camping, and the kids found some cool rocks to play in. What are you going to show us, Emmy?
I'm going to show you a cave that we found when we were just playing around here. Well, actually, I found it, and then I showed it to everybody else.
Let me see.
It's kind of a small cave, but it's pretty cozy.
How many people can fit in there?
About 3. It's 2 of us are small.
Okay, can you come back out for me?
Sure. And you have to have a light to see it in the dark.
It's a cool headlamp.
Mm-hmm. And also there's another way in and out.
Nice. Okay, what do we have over here?
We have, this is our hiding spot.
Another cave.
You're sitting on a bone.
I'm sitting on a bone? Ah!
Yeah. This
Very
is
cool.
where we found that squirrel skull.
Anything else cool in here?
Right now, not really. No.
Pretty cool bone. Maybe it goes to the squirrel.
Most likely.
Cool.
Hey, let's get out. Okay.
Nice.
Done.